Shamanettes, it's Suzanne, the beauty shaman, where truth and beauty meet. Okay, so this look is a daytime back to work fall look that I've done in a previous video. I'm going to put the link down below, so be sure to check that out. I have about 5 products on my face specifically from SKINSTORE that they sent to me, and I love every single one of them. I'm very excited about them. I picked them out specifically because I wanted to try them, and this is the end result of the daytime natural look. And I think the finish is gorgeous. They stay on. They're fantastic. And what I'm going to do with this particular video is take this daytime look and make it into a evening look or a nighttime look using another palette sent to me by SKINSTORE by Ilamasqua. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It looks like that. And it's absolutely amazing with gorgeous colors. So we're going to take and pop my eyeshadow specifically. We're going to leave everything else the same. We're just going to pop the eyeshadow using this particular palette. All right, so before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com. And also, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be alerted every time I upload a video. That way I can keep making great content for you here on YouTube. Let's get going. Okay, so for starters, because this is a nighttime look, we're going to punch up the eyeliner. So the way we're going to do that is using, in this particular palette, we're going to use this color right there. Just using a blender brush, I'm going to take and put this, kind of brush this up right next to my lash line. That's what I love about this palette. This is wonderful for dark skin, light skin. It's really flexible. It has a lot of really deep shades. I'm also going to take and put a little bit underneath. If you have a lot of red around your eyes, like your eyes tend to be reddish around the edges, I would say either really clean them up with concealer or don't use this shade because it has a lot of red in it. All right, next we're going to take this copper shade right there. All right, in that outer edge, I'm going to take and just place it right in that outer edge and a little bit in that outer crease. This works on almost any eye color as well. If you have blue or like me, green, brown, dark brown, copper is awesome. Look at how rich and beautiful that is and how much that pops that out. All right, now I'm going to take this charcoal color down here at the bottom and I'm going to put it right on that outer edge. That just adds density right to that outer edge and makes your eyes pop up even more. If you'd like, you can put a little underneath, and if you feel like it and you want to wing it a little bit, you can do that too. Just going to do a soft wing. Really nice. For a little added glam, I'm going to put a little bit of this gold, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle. Look how easy that was to pop that eye, to really make it more dramatic. Okay, so this is the finished product for the daytime look to nighttime. I've left everything the same, so my same lipstick, everything is absolutely the same. All I did was jam up my eyes a little bit, and it only took like 3 different colors. Beautiful eyeshadow kit at the SKINSTORE. I do encourage you to check it out. Very quick to pop this. It also has other beautiful rich tones like purples and some silver and lovely shades. I love this. I think the eyeshadows are great. They hold up beautifully. They went on beautifully. Definitely love this product and definitely easy to go from day to night. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please write down below any questions or thoughts you might have now that we get to go out at night. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Anyway, I hope you are too. Have a great day and thanks for watching.